Okay, so guys, we're live right now, and if you just tuned in, or if you're tuned in earlier, you know today we're supposed to have Gucci on, but it's Zoom, and we're having some network issues. When it comes to MX24, we do our best to bring you the best interview, but right now, she's on, so I don't know if she can see me. Hey, Gucci. Hello.
Hi. I'm trying
Hi,
to
how
set my
you
camera.
doing?
I'm fine.
Oh, man, it's good to have you. You know, we're having some network
Camera.
issues, but finally you're on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. So I'm going to get
Yeah.
straight to it. Big congratulations to you. Your
Thank
music, your
you.
music video, an amazing job you did. Did you think it was going to get this big though when you released the song?
No, actually, no. Um, we dropped the song because we were getting lots of messages from the fans requesting for us to drop the song. So I wasn't expecting that it would be this big.
Yeah. Now, I mean, when did you actually know it was as big as it is? Because you know, right now, social media is a big thing. It took off on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. When did you know, like, you really arrived with this song?
Well, I think that was about last 3 to 4 weeks.
Oh, okay.
I just decided to check TikTok, and when I opened my TikTok, it was like Jennifer everywhere. Like when I keep scrolling, I keep seeing Jennifer, and I was like, "Whoa! I
Yeah.
think something is up."
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
was when I realized it became big.
Awesome, awesome. Now, let's get way back a bit. For those who don't know who Gucci is, you know, the music. Has it always been music? Did you stumble into music? How did the music begin for you?
Well, it has always been music from childhood. It has always been music. Growing up has been music. The choir, then to everywhere have been music. Everything have been music about me.
Yeah. Now, one thing that's interesting about the music video, and I was talking to my producer, is you know there are certain people, especially with entertainers, you know they've just got it. You know, with your interaction with the camera, with the dancing. I'm jealous of the guy in the video, but we're going to get into that later. Have you, when it comes to arts, did you always begin in arts, or did people not know this was what you were always about?
Well, this is what I've always been about. I've always been, when it comes to entertainment, I like to kill it. Yeah, I like to kill it because it's my passion.
Yeah. Okay. Now another thing is now being a lady, you know, you're inspiring a lot of ladies. A lot of little girls watching this want to be like Gucci. What do you have to say to those girls? Because we know ladies go through a lot, and we're trying to push them as much as possible to that next place we know they deserve. What do you want to tell that little girl right now who so badly wants to be like
Well,
you?
I'll say do not give up because a lot of people always see the ladies as weak.
Yeah. True.
And if
That's
you
true.
have that in your head, I don't think you'll go any far.
That's true.
So I'll say don't give up, keep pursuing your dream, keep working hard, and I'm sure everything will work out fine.
Awesome, awesome. Now, what's the plan though? I mean, you have a song, it's out there. You're getting millions of views on YouTube. You're getting the attention. Ghanaians, we love you. What's the plan for Gucci going forward?
Well, the plan good music back to back to back. So I have a feature with Ravani dropping pretty soon, Jennifer remix. And after that, we're looking at dropping another song like right after that, back to back to back to back.
Yeah, awesome. Now, you know, obviously I'm from Ghana and I'm talking to my sister, fellow Nigerian. Have you ever been to Ghana?
Yes, I have.
How many times and when? When was this?
Once, once I think Accra.
Yes. Yes, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Now, do you listen to Ghanaian music? If you do, any favorite Ghanaian artists, any future collaboration with Ghanaian artists?
Sarkodie, Jackie too.
Yeah, Jackie's dope. You and Jackie would be great on a song, you know?
Yeah,
Hopefully that works
yeah,
out. So are you
yeah.
coming to Ghana again soon? Maybe.
Hopefully, pretty soon. Pretty soon.
Yes, yes. Please come to Ghana. We can't wait to have you here again, and we can't wait to see you do big things. Is there going to be an album coming this year? Maybe. Hello?
Last year, October, and I feel like the EP, people have not really heard that song, the songs in the EP, and I just want people to still listen. Like, listen to those sounds. There, I have like great songs there. But I'm also looking at. It depends on how everything goes.
Yeah.
We're working with how everything goes,
Yeah.
the whole acceptance. So if the acceptance is massive, of course, we'll drop an EP or an album pretty soon.
Yes, yes. Now, here in Ghana, I just want to say we've definitely accepted you. Now, before we let you go, I posted that we were going to talk to you, and there was a lady who asked me about the purple hair. Is like purple your favorite color? She was like so onto that. Tell us about the purple hair.
Okay, okay, there are so many things involved in the purple hair. So many things involved in the purple hair. Like when I dropped my first official single titled No Be Jazz, it was like, okay, nothing was going on. And then I dropped another single titled Addicted. It was still like nothing was going on. Like people could not still actually place a face to the singer.
Oh, okay.
And then I dropped another single titled Closer. People could still not place a face to the singer. It was like my song was flying, but my face was not flying.
Oh, okay.
Like the song was bigger than I am.
Okay.
Yeah, so we had to actually make a decision, like a signatory hairstyle. You get that people can actually see this and be like, okay, that's Gucci.
Okay.
Yeah, and I actually love purple, so I chose the color purple.
Okay, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. Awesome, man. I mean, thank you for inspiring me because December I'm getting purple hair myself. We're going to see how that looks. If it doesn't look good, I'm going to enter your DMs and we are going to fight. But thank you so much. Darling, where can we find you on social media for those who don't know? Instagram, Twitter, and everywhere else.
On Instagram at official Gucci. The Gucci is Guchi, official Gucci. On Twitter, official Gucci 2. Same spelling, Guchi. That's
Okay.
Gucci.
Okay, now just like the purple hair, before you go, for those wondering, is Gucci your real name?
My real name is Ugochi Onoha. That's my real name. So the Gucci is gotten from Ugochi.
Okay. I mean, I was arguing with someone today, so I can say I won because I was telling them your real name is Gucci. Like, I know you, but yeah, thank you for confirming. Darling, again, congratulations on everything you're doing. Myself and
Thank you so
MX24, we can't wait to have you in Ghana. We're going to continue to push you.
Thank
You're
you. I
pushing
can't wait to be in
Nigerian.
Ghana.
You know, the cool thing is, we get to see Wizkid, we get to see Burna Boy, we get to see Davido, we see Gucci, We have amazing influencers like Caramel. You guys are doing amazing. You inspire us so much, and we love you and everything you're doing. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, guys, that was the amazing Gucci. If you haven't seen a music video, go on YouTube, go on TikTok even, look for a search for it. Let's continue to support our own because, Nigerians love jollof, but they will not come and tell us they love jollof, but I have said it. Support her, of course, and yeah, let's enjoy the music some more. Now, I told you I'm going to be talking to 3 ladies. I've already spoken to 2. This is the best show ever. Now, next up, I have, like I said earlier, the amazing Caramel, and yeah, she's in Ghana. We're going to be talking to her, but right now, again, this is Gucci, this is Jennifer. Enjoy.